Hello everyone and welcome back. We have been discussing about the cortical areas and we have learned up to unimodal areas in the last class. As we have seen in the last class, the sensory areas are divided into unimodal areas and multimodal areas. We have seen about unimodal areas in the previous session. Today let us see multimodal areas. Multimodal areas are also called polysensory association area. As the name indicates, multimodal sensory areas are large areas of cerebral cortex that receive sensory input from multiple different sensory modalities and association areas and help make associations between various kinds of sensory information. They are again subdivided into posterior association area, anterior association area and limbic association area. The posterior association area is located at the junction of parietal, occipital and temporal lobes and hence it is also called parieto-occipito-temporal association area. It provides a high level of interpretative meaning for signals from all the surrounding sensory areas. This posterior association area has its own functional sub-areas. The posterior association area includes the functional sub-area concerned with spatial coordinates of the body and surroundings, language comprehension and intelligence, visual processing of words, and finally naming of objects. The posterior association area is where visual, auditory and somatosensory areas meet. This is what gives us our spatial awareness of our body. We have a meaningful idea about the extrapersonal space with all the visual, auditory and somesthetic cues because of the posterior association area. For example, professional dancers and athletes are able to perform well because of a very strong sense of extrapersonal space. The posterior association area provides a continuous analysis of the spatial coordinates of all parts of the body as well as of the surroundings of the body. This area receives visual sensory information from the posterior occipital cortex and simultaneous somatosensory information from the anterior parietal cortex. From all this information, it computes the coordinates of the visual, auditory and body surroundings. Located within the posterior association area is the area for language comprehension called the vernix area. It is the most important region of the entire brain for higher intellectual function because almost all such intellectual functions are language based. Posterior to the vernix area is the functional sub-area for visual processing of words. When we are reading a book, the visual information about the words are processed in this visual processing area and the information is then fed to the vernix area for comprehension of language. Located below the vernix area is the functional sub-area for the naming of objects. The names are learned mainly through auditory input, whereas the physical natures of the objects are learned mainly through visual input. We can identify the objects based on the auditory information as well as the visual information, and name is very essential for identification of objects and the naming of words is associated with auditory information and visual information. Today we have discussed about posterior association area are categorized under multimodal area.